Everybody. So I believe you're here because probably you have a bunch of programs or let's say packages that you need to install into your Linux system or your MacBook to do a project that you may be working on. And sometimes it's probably because you have a file, a request.txt file, and you're like, okay, what should I do with this? How should I install it? In this video, we're going to address that. We're going to show you how you can install a lot of packages instead of having to type in their install name of package, wait for that to install, and then install the second one. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do that, and we'll be doing that by actually making that requirements.txt file and then how to install it. So to make that file, we're just going to open up Sublime Text. It's my favorite text editing tool. Some people prefer Notepad. So let's say you have a bunch of a list of packages that you want to install. Maybe it could be matplotlib. Maybe you want a Jupyter notebook. It's Jupyter, right? Then I'm probably gonna want pillow. Actually, this is a TXT file that I'm gonna be using for my other video, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up TensorFlow. If you're interested in machine learning or anything like that, please check that video. I think you might find it interesting how you can actually just set up your computer to do some really advanced machine learning stuff. So these are the packages or dependencies that I'm going to need to prepare my environment or my computer. So I'm going to save them. Probably save them on the desktop. And for you, it could be a bunch of dependencies that you need for your own project. They don't have to be these ones. They could be other things. You just put whatever you want, what you know you want to make your system work. You just list them like that. And then you can call it requirements. Actually, it doesn't have to be requirements. Everybody calls it requirements because it's just easier to recall. Yeah, real interesting. And please make sure you remember to put that it is a TXT file. The computer will not guess for you. It needs to know what it's working with. So we just save that. All right, put that down there. And the next thing, you open up your terminal. So if you're that person who you're installing some stuff into your system, or you're just following instructions of GitHub, and you have this requirements thing, and they say install requirements, and then they move on to other steps, and you're like, well, what should I do? This is what you're supposed to do. So using the pip install that's on your computer, you just say pip install -r, and then now we look for the requirements file. Desktop. I just pressed DE and I pressed the tab. It autofills, makes life so much easier. So requirements, provided I don't have another one. It was the only one that it found on the desktop. I don't have another requirements file, right? And then I just hit enter. So it's just going to begin an installation. That's just how it works. So it started off with matplotlib, which was the first one that we had there, and it's going to move on to the others as well. So this is a really efficient way to install a bunch of packages or dependencies that you have. And for anybody who has issues installing a requirements text file, this is how it's done. It's very, very simple. Once again, it's just pip install -r and the location of the file, and it will install it for you. If you guys have any other considerations, questions concerning the video, or how you can install multiple packages on your MacBook using the terminal, just please leave it in the comments and we will address it. Hope you like this video, guys, and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything else, just let me know.